day 36. And it may take a minute or two to thaw out, but there's gonna be sun today. I just gotta try to figure out how to chisel that stuff off of there. And all the products are coated with a nice layer of icy frost. But I think we will prevail. Today is our big day to shine, to get cooking. Woo! Oh, and I almost forgot, I still have some eggs here inside this GoSun Sport. Now I'm guessing that they are not very warm. There you go, those cooked in the freezing cold snow in the winter in Ohio. Look at this day.
Cayenne pepper on here, some regular pepper, some salt.
Trying to make some jerky here. We got wood chips. You want to lift that up for me?
The wood chips are actually outside steaming right now. So.
Oh, okay. Choo choo. This here is our GoSun Sport blowing through a Cincinnati style sausage known as Geta. The jerky slowly dehydrating. I hope I'm not messing. Matt's got some water and some tea.
That's right. We're living dangerously.
What are we doing here today?
We're demoing the GoSun Sport with the water boiling accessory we're about to release in a little bit here. Throw your water inside and sit it into the Sport while it's racked vertically. You can have hot water in as little as 35 minutes.
The brew accessory is pretty cool, huh? I hope you knew that your GoSun Sport could do that.
This train is bound to glory.
Today was a good chance to get caught up on cooking some calories. After a few days of clouds, I was ready to eat.
Oh, and still got snow. All right, our pies, our solar cooked pies in the beautiful portable. Look at that. Little 2-pound beauty here. It's getting up to about 500 degrees, which is perfect for baking. And we're making our Thai green curry pies, solar cut. An hour and a half later, not gonna lie to you, I just went into something, I actually did some work for a change, made some more sales, sold some more goes all over the world, including Australia. And oh yeah, these are ready. Look at the steam, look at the beautiful color. Oh my life. We got a couple of gorgeous pies. What day are we on, Mr.
36.
Show? Day 36, and he gets to eat delicious food. He says he's losing weight. I can't believe any of that. He's eating like 10,000 calories a day. Look at this. Solar cooked pies. Let's get them down our necks.
Thanks, baby.
Use more sun, and let's go.
The Geta. Oh, big drama. Golden, crispy Geta and some steak fried chili cheese nuggets.
So here we are. We've got our Thai green curry pies in the GoSun Go. Fantastic temperature for baking, 500 degrees. Look at the crust, look at the color. Easy cleanup. So we're gonna just pop these out. When you buy the Go, you get these little cooking cups. Get it down your neck. Roll.
Oh man, I'm so lucky. Thank you so much, Davy Jones. Wow, nice GoSun Go. The jerky slowly cooking down and slowly disappearing.
Come back here, my young lady.
Okay, we've got some jerky, some beef jerky here, looking really yummy inside the grill. I didn't realize this was even possible, but I'd say those are pretty well slow roasted and done. Nice job, Mr. Austin Fry. Wow. Beef jerky in the GoSun grill. About to cook up some dumplings in the Go Sun Sport. What kind of dumplings? Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Yes, that is snow on there. Why is it snow? Well, I wanted to add a little water to the dumplings, not dirty snow, but wanted to add a little water to the dumplings so that they don't crisp up quite as much. So a little snow. This is a cold Go Sun Sport. It's not preheated. And a little cookie action. Dessert always helps. And let's take a quick look at what we made for lunch. The lasagna. Man, that's really golden and roasty. I love when tomatoes do this. Tomatoes and oils come together to create that roast, that caramelization. Wow, look at the sport just burning over there. Something must have spilled. That sport is just like a chimney top. All right, cool. This is our new summer intern, Mr. Noah Katranchik, right?
Katrinchak. Howdy ho. Good enough. Happy to be here.
Yeah, those are gone. Hard to describe all the beautiful smells out here. A sunny day, so the cook has been firing away. A vegetable medley. Some steamed dumplings. Stuffed mushroom. Meatloaf. Done. And then vegetarian stuffing.